everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about an integration. Whether you are a student or just curious, you are in the right spot. We will explain what's an integration and help you understand it better. So let's get started. From an integration, we will focus on technique of integration. Today we will focus more about integration by partial fraction. Integration by partial fraction. So let me take an example and show you how we are going to solve by using partial fraction. If we take an example, integration of 1 over x squared minus 9 dx. From this one, x squared minus 9 is equals to what? X plus 3 times x minus 3. So 1 over x squared minus 9 is equals to what? 1 over x plus 3 times x minus 3. So this one is a over x minus 3 plus b over x plus 3. From this, a into x plus 3 over plus b into x minus 3 over x minus 3 times x plus 3 is equals to what? 1 over x squared minus 9. So this value can simplify with this one. So what we are left with is a into x plus 3 plus b into x minus 3 is equals to 1. So ax plus 3a plus bx minus 3b is equals to 1. From this, ax plus bx is equals to 0 because we haven't x over here. So it is equals to 0. But what's left? So we have this one. So let me clear over here and simplify furthermore. So a plus b is equals to 0 over here. A 3a minus 3b is equals to 1. From here, a is equals to minus b. So we have to substitute in value of a with minus b. 3 minus 3a minus 3b is equals to 1. Minus 6b is equals to 1. B is equals to minus 1 over 6. What about a? A is equals to 1 over 6. So we have to substitute this value over a and b. 1 over x squared minus 9 is equals to a over x minus 3 plus b over x plus 3. So we have to substitute the value of a with respect to 1 over 6, the value of b with respect to minus 1 over 6. So we get 1 over 6 into x minus 3. We get the value of b minus 1 over 6. So we have to substitute it over here. Minus 1 over 6 into x minus 3. So we have to substitute this one over here and simplify it furthermore. So this is equals to integration of 1 over 6 x plus 3 minus 1 over 6 not x plus 3 x minus 3 plus x plus 3 dx. If we integrate this one, what we get is from the Lamb property, if you know it, integration of 1 over x is equals to ln x. So integration of 1 over 6x minus 3 is what? So integration of 1 over 6 x minus 3 with respect to x minus integration of 1 over 6 x plus 3 with respect to dx. If we simplify furthermore this one, integration of 1 over 6, 1 over 6 is constant, we have to take it in the back. 1 over 6 integration of x minus 3, 1 over x minus 3 is equals to ln of x minus 3 minus 1 over 6 again x plus integration of 1 over x plus 3 is ln of x plus 3 plus constant because of it is an indefinite integral. So 1 over 6 is common and ln of x minus 3 minus ln of x plus 3. From the logarithm property, ln of a minus ln of b is equals to what? ln of a over ln of b. So if we further simplify this one, what we get is 1 over 6 ln of x minus 3 over ln of x plus 3, which is equals to 1 over 6 into ln of x minus 3 over x plus 3 plus constant c is the final answer of this question. So it's solved like this one. I think you get some pointers. If you are new for the channel, please subscribe and like the video. Until the next video, bye bye.